going on, everybody? So now that we've got the mount, the quick disconnect, the leash, the camera, I'm going to show you how I set up my gear on my helmet. And this is the AGV Pista. So in the previous video we did a while back, showed you how to mount this mount on. Now this is from, I think it was Ride Tech. This mount, their customers, they're based out of Canada, but their customer service is really, really responsive. It wasn't the most expensive specialized mount for this helmet, but I wound up going with them because, I mean, they were very responsive with their emails, and again, they're based out of Canada, so, but I didn't try to phone them. I don't know if they had a phone number, but I emailed them and they emailed back multiple times. So what we got is this is called the J mount. If you put this J mount on by itself, the camera is going to sit, it's not going to sit back far enough. So just to show you, put the J mount on. All right. Screw the camera in. The nice thing about this mount is it has those two clips in the bottom there. That's as far back as it's going to come. Now for proper shots, or for good videos, for visibility, you want the camera angle to be almost equal to the angle of the visor. So because riding like we ride, we go at a little bit higher rate of speed, and so you have your head down, you're more in a tuck. So if the camera isn't in line with the visor or close thereof, it's going to be pointed at the dash, which was the issue that we were having earlier in the earlier videos. When I go a little bit faster, you'd be looking straight at the speedometer and the cluster on the dash rather than seeing the road ahead. So the resolve to that is an extension for the mount. Now this is not, I did not find this in any kits for GoPro mounts. This was, and yes, this is an Insta360, but this had to be purchased separately, and I just recently picked it up to try and alleviate, to be able to get my cameras to sit almost at the same angle as my visor. So what I do is I always put this bolt right here on the opposite side as this bolt. So I don't go like this, because on this side you have two screws and they will bump into each other. You won't be able to turn them. So by putting this like this, I have one over here and one over here. Okay, but what I'll do first is I will attach the camera to this first. And with these magnetic, this magnetic mount on the bottom of this mount, magnetic feet per se, it's nice because they go flat on their own, but it really is a bit of a frustration when you have to hold them open. Okay, so we have that on. We're going to take this, put it in here, screw this in. All right, so there. As you can see, the camera angle, and I haven't screwed it down, but the camera angle is almost in line with, or the camera sits almost the same angle as my visor. Now, I actually bring it out a little bit because in some of the videos you commented and said that you like to see the dash, and so by having it like this, you're seeing all the road for the most part, top of the windscreen, all the road. It didn't show much of the bike or the speedometer or the dash at all. So I will have my camera about right there, just a little bit forward of the angle of the visor, just so it shoots some of the bike, some of the dash, and then the road ahead. And then you just tighten these down. Okay. Then this camera does seem heavier than the GoPro I was using, which was a 4 silver, even with its case. And so I will definitely be leashing this. So what happens is I put the helmet on, then I run the chin strap through. I'll have this tied off, so this will be a big loop. I'll run the chin strap through there. And again, I'll make the loop just big enough to reach down for the chin strap to go through it, but I'll put it through and fasten it. So if this were to fall off, I'll feel it yank on my chin strap, and I'll know that the mount has failed. Hopefully it doesn't, but this does seem a little bit heavier, so I'll be interested to see if the mount holds. It's fairly sturdy. Haven't had a mount give way yet, so that's a good thing. By the grace of God, we'll get through this unscathed, but we'll see how the videos turn out. All right, if you have any questions, comments, feel free to drop in the section below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, and it's your boy One Take Wonder coming at you with reviews, how-tos, and don't-dos. Save you time, money, frustration, and hopefully, with this leash as well, save you a lot of money by not losing a camera. All right, keep the rubber side down, twinkle, twinkle.